Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology, and this is for the weekly update of Google Chrome. Yes, we have the security updates every week for Google Chrome, no 0 days from what we see. So if you go to your Chrome browser, and in your Chrome browser, you go to the upper right corner and the three vertical dots, go about Help and about Google Chrome. You will be updated to 125.0.6422.142, 141, 143, depending on the version of Windows or what operating system you are on, Mac, Linux, or Windows. And it actually fixes 11 security flaws. All are high severity, so there's a few that are out of bound, right? And for example, Streams API. Another one is in the Presentation API, Media Session, two in Dawn, several in Dawn actually, and WebRTC with a buffer overflow. So quite a few things that are fixed in here, and 11 security fixes in total. That, of course, is going to be pushed on to all Chromium browsers. So if you have Brave, Opera, or so on, whatever operating system, whatever web browser you have that's Chromium-based, you will have that update going through because you'll have a lot of these security fixes. And they're high severity. So high severity means that it's important to have it fixed because it means that it's easy to exploit. And remember that security flaws within software like browsers are not detected for the most part by any antivirus, which means you'll get caught even if you think that you're safe. So that's why the number one thing is to update your software, including the browsers. So check it out. The Google Chrome security flaws have been fixed for the week, 11 of them. That was released late yesterday, May the 30th, and it's rolling out today and the next few days. Hope that you update to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.